Hi, I'm Scott Rogers. I'm a member of the faculty of the University of Miami School of Law, where we have a mindfulness and law program and introduce mindfulness into the curriculum in a variety of ways. And what I'd like to share with you is something that I find very helpful, which is being able to tease apart some of the practices we might turn to find relief and to help cultivate resilience so that when we turn to something at any given moment, it's likely to serve us well. And so there's a distinction, I think, an overlap, but a distinction between mindfulness practices and other practices that are maybe more suited for relaxation and finding ease in the particular moment we're in. So mindfulness practices like focusing on the breath, and when we notice our mind wandering, returning to the breath, can be relaxing. But really, we practice those on a regular basis or however often we like, so that in the moments when things happen, we're able to see things more clearly, have an attention that isn't as likely to bounce around, and be able to make decisions that are useful for ourselves and others. It's really, we could say, for the long game. And if in a given period of practice it's not relaxing or calming, that doesn't mean that it's not a very effective and powerful and important mindfulness practice unto itself in that moment. Then there are practices that we could say are more akin to the relaxation and calming realm, like taking a slower, deeper breath, or slower, deeper breaths, to remind ourselves of truths like this too shall pass and I'm doing the best I can, to get out in nature, to spray aromas that are very soothing and satisfying, to spend time with supportive friends. And so there are these two categories in many ways, those that are for cultivating greater present moment awareness and those that are for cultivating greater present moment relaxation and calm. They overlap, to be sure, but in the moment when we might be looking to a practice, I think it can be helpful to consider, what is my intention here? Is it to develop capacity and cultivate resilience for the long term, or is it feel more at ease and okay in this moment? And I think that can help us look to different practices, and they can be more satisfying and rewarding to us. I hope this is helpful and wish you all the best in the study and practice of law.